Winners in life, in business, and in real estate are long-term thinkers, okay? It's those that are looking out and making decisions based on the things that are going to benefit them in the long term, not just what makes them feel good right now, right? And so what makes us feel good right now is buying a bunch of stuff we can't afford and leveraging with a bunch of debt and doing all these kind of crazy vacations and things that spend our money, but they don't reap any benefit for us in the future, right? Those that are long-term thinkers, that are actually investing, buying real estate, taking advantage of the cash flow and the wealth building part of it, and just appreciating assets and the tax benefits and everything that goes on that, those are the real winners in real estate, right? So what I want you to understand though is that what we're talking about tonight, quick flipping, it's important, but also understand that flipping is not investing. Flipping is a side hustle, okay? Now, it can be a really, really good, well-paying side hustle. Again, as many of you guys here can attest to, one of our members, Bill Allen, does multiple millions of dollars per year flipping houses. We have multiple members who have seven-figure businesses in the flipping and wholesaling and rehabbing game. So it can be a really high-paying side hustle, but you still have to keep doing it. Okay, and as you can see in my notes there, one of my biggest fears, and I don't have a lot of fears, I don't have a lot of worries, I don't have a lot of concerns, right? I'm pretty healthy, and so no issues there yet, right? My kids are really well behaved, even though the three of them were out there tonight, and they were doing a great job, and they're all teenagers, and you know they're not rebellious, and so I don't have any worries at home really with kids. I got a great marriage, all that good stuff. I don't have a lot of money problems or anything, but I can tell you one of the fears, the things that keeps me up at night, not really, I sleep really well, but figuratively speaking, that keeps me up at night, is for those of you in here that come through my teaching, come through my group, and you just want to flip and flip and flip and flip. And my biggest fear is that 20 years from now, you're still flipping and you haven't owned, bought, held anything, okay? It's not that you're not going to be flipping, because you're going to keep flipping, but if you haven't bought something and held something for your future self, then you're really missing out on the power and the strength and the wealth building aspect of real estate investing.